Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we are going to understand a new topic in our Java series, and this topic already you have studied in 11-12, but don't leave this meeting, and I mean to say don't leave this video, because you are going to understand this topic in the programming way. Okay, so before going to start our topic, I will tell you that we have studied many topics in our Java series which will help you in interview also and live tasks also. Okay, so if you have not watched them, please go and watch. And today's topic is sets in Java. Okay, so in sets I will tell you that if you remember that union, intersection, difference already you have studied in 11th and 12th. Okay, so today I told you that we will study this topic in syntax way. So you always know, whenever we are starting our topic, first of all we are going through the PPT, and in PPT we will know that what is the purpose of this topic to study, what is the use of this topic whenever you are performing the live task, and how you can use them. These all things we will cover in this video, so please watch this video. This video is going to be little bit big, so don't leave this video and watch till end. Okay, so let's start through our PPT. And in PPT I will tell you that sets example. First of all we study sets Java. Okay, sets in Java. So the set in interface available in the java.util package. Java.util is a package in Java in which sets contain. Okay, so don't focus on this. Your main focus is the what is the sets. Okay, so a set is a collection that cannot contain the duplicate element. So if you will understand this line, the set is a collection that cannot contain the duplicate element. If you explore, or if you will expand this line in another way, like whenever you are performing any operation with data, okay, and you cannot make a duplicate element. Okay, whenever you are adding some data in a set. Okay, so if you are adding some element in a multiple time, that multiple time element will be removed and it will be only remain single element for that. Okay, we will understand this in another way also. Okay, so you cannot write any element multiple time in a set. Okay, this is the main purpose to say. And the another line is like the set interface extends the collection interface. Okay, and unordered collection or list in which the duplicate are not allowed in the referred to as a collection interface. Okay, the set interface extend the collection interface. So whenever you are using set interface, okay, it's extend the collection interface also. Collection, I have already told you, like collection is a framework. Okay, and framework and set is the part of that framework. Okay, and unordered collection or list in which the duplicates are not allowed is referred to as the collection interface. Collection interface is means, you can say, in collection interface we cannot use like duplicate elements in a list, or like unordered collection. If you have created, we cannot use anything which can be repeated. Okay, if you are writing also in repeated way, the final result will give you the single, like single entity it will give you. For multiple entity also it will give the single entity. Okay, and another is the sets example. Okay, so I have created two sets. Sets 1, here is also contain 1 3 2 4 8 9 0, and another set also some digit contain. Okay, so we are going to perform some operation here, like intersection, union, difference. So what will happen in intersection, what will happen in union, and what will happen in difference, we are going to understand. So what is the intersection? First of all, understand this. Okay, so intersection in the sense, whenever you are combining, okay, we are combining two sets, so some output will come. And which output will come? The part which is common in both set will come as a output. Okay, so you can see here 0 is available in both set, so we are getting 0 here. Okay, sorry, 1 is available in both sets, so we are getting 1 also, and 3 available in both, we are getting 3, and 4 available in both, that's why we are getting 4 also. So we are going to understand these things in our syntax way also, don't worry for this. First of all, understand through here also. Okay, and what is the union? So union in the sense, you can say, like you have already hear the word union. Okay, so union will, what happen, multiple set will combine to each other. Okay, and the unique part will be remain there. Okay, like I will tell you, like 0 is available in both, so 0 will come from set 1 also, 0 will come from set 2 also. If there will be 2 0, only 1 0 will remain and another 0 will be automatically moved. So you can see all the elements in the final result is available in set 1 also, and all the elements in final result is available in set 2 also. So this is the union means all the set value will combine, all the element of the set will combine, and only the unique part of the element will remain there. Okay, and what is the difference in the sense, if you have two sets, okay, and if you are finding the difference from one to another, so you have to combine all the sets and you have to remove all the element which belong to set 2. So set 1, that's why the set 1 value will remain. Okay, in that way. See, if you can see 289 is remaining here. These are the part of the 289. You can see here 289 is here. Okay, and all the things which belong to set 2 has removed, like 1 belong to set 2 also has removed, 3 belong to set 2, that also has removed. Okay, so in this way your sets example, like in difference will work. Now let's start through our syntax also, like programming syntax, so you can understand it better. So here we have two examples. Okay, and in two examples we are going to understand that how we are writing the set syntax, how we are performing operation on the set syntax. Okay, so first of all we will write the sets, how we are writing the sets. So sets, then in bracket we are writing string, because in set in set whenever you will create, that could be integer type also, that could be string type also, that could be double type also. So we need to define here which type of sets we are creating. So here we are creating string type sets. Okay, so this is string type set, and here I have given the name of the sets, and new hash sets, and then the string. Okay, so now it's time to add the value in your set, then only your set will get complete. So how we will add the value? So you have to write your set name dot add and the element which you want to add it here. So we have added some elements, like you count a 1 2 3 4 5, there are the 5 elements we have added here. So you will notice I told you that duplicates are not allowed, and in line number 18 and line number 20 we have added duplicate, like ctnp and ctnp, both are added here. So it will not allowed, you already know, because this is the set. And how we can print our set value has system.out.println and the name of your set, then your whatever element you have added in your set will print it here. And already told you that duplicates are not allowed, so duplicate will remove automatically. So one question from all of you, if you are watching this video, so what will be the size of our set? Because here we are adding 5 elements, 1 2 3 4 5, and here I am writing finding the size of the element. Okay, so how to find the size of the element? You have to write system.out.println has set your set name dot size, it will give the size of the element. So let's guess what will be the output for the size of the element. That will be quiz for you. Okay, we will see in output format. And same way I have added one more another way we have added the value in our sets. Okay, we have added the elements in our set. So why I am writing in another way, why I am taughting you in another way? This is very important to know, because whenever you will go for the live task, there will be many projects. Sometime you are going to start the project from scratch level, sometime you are going to handle the projects which is done by the another developer. Okay, so there will be not like only one way to write the syntax. Okay, if you know the first way, if you know that this way, you will start any program and you will write in that way. But that programmer know another way, so that will write in this way. So you need to understand what is the meaning of this syntax, so you can understand that this is also the part of the set. Okay, that's why I am just taughting you in another way, and another till last the video I will taught you another way also to handle it. Okay, so I will tell you that there are the two parts in our in this video. Here we have deal with the integers, so don't leave this video, watch till the integers also. Okay, so here you understand how we are adding the integer. Okay, and there is another way, you have to create the array string. Okay, here we have created the array string. Okay, array string, then array and the name of your string, and we have added some elements. Okay, how we can transfer this element in our set? So I have created here set. Okay, the set name is set here. Okay, this is also a string type because we are adding the string value here. Okay, and how we can add? So we need to write for loop string item colon list 1. Okay, list 1 is the name of your array. Okay, and then set dot add item, like this here has set dot add item. So you have to write set dot add item, and item means one by one item will add it to your set value. Okay, it will add A, then it will add B, it will add K, it will add E, and then B is duplicate, so it will remove the B. Okay, so whenever I will run, I have asked you one question, you have to guess the size of the set. Okay, let me run, and I hope you have guessed the correct answer. So see here, CTNP example for programming, and size is 4. So if you have guessed the 4 size, congratulations, you won. If you have guessed the 5, it's okay, no worries. Next time again we will do something and you have to guess. Okay, so there is one more thing to notice here. Okay, first of all I added the programming, okay, then for, then CTNP. But whenever we are seeing our output, okay, CTNP is coming first. Here we have added the programming, but CTNP is coming first. And if you will analyze this one, CTNP, then example, then for, and then programming. What is this? We need to understand this. If you see the basically way, like it's arranged in the dictionary form. Okay, like it's sorted, already sorted. Like first C is coming from A to Z. If you will see, the C is coming first, then E is coming first, then for is coming first, then P is coming. Okay, so in that way this is in the form of sorted also, and it's remove the duplicate element also. So this is the benefit of writing the sets. Okay, see, if you got the data, lot of data you got, okay, so how will you arrange them in dictionary way? Okay, how will you sort them? How will you remove the duplicate data? By using the sets you can remove the duplicate data also. You can arrange them in dictionary way also, because whenever we were in college also, our name, like there are more than 70 students, so all the name were arranged in the dictionary way only, not in the 1 2 3 4 way. Like in dictionary we arrange, A will come first, B will come second, C will come, like this arrange. So how they are arranged? They have also write the program. They are just entering, they are giving the entry of the name. Automatically this will arrange the name. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, and this is the string, how we can manipulate the data of the string. Now we are going to understand those things by using the integers. Okay, so in integer we are going to know the union, intersections and differences. All the things we are going to know here, like union, intersection, differences. So how we are writing the syntax for union, intersection, difference, let's understand. So here we have created two array. Okay, integer A, in A also some data are here, in integer B also some data is here. Okay, now for every array we have created a separate sets also, and we have added their data. So how we can add those data? So you have to create one set. Okay, and now we are adding the integer element. So you have to define your set is an integer type. Okay, so I have defined here integer type, then new equal to hash set and integer, and now I am adding the element. So how we can add the element? Here already you understand that two way to add the element in your sets. Now understand the third way to add the element in your sets. Okay, so set one dot add all arrays dot as list A. Okay, arrays because we are adding data from the array, dot as list A. A is, this one is your A. Okay, so now we understand the third way also, how we can add the data in your sets by use from the array. Okay, same way we are adding data for the set 2 also. Now we have data for set A and set 2. Okay, so how we can perform the union? To perform the union, okay, union already I told you what is the union. So to perform the union we are using the method add all. Okay, to perform the intersection we are using the retain all. Okay, and to perform the difference we are using the remove all. I will explain you what is the meaning of remove all, means how this remove all we are performing. Okay, so let's again focus something like control P. So already you have seen what is the what happening in union. In union two sets values are combining and the duplicate will remove. Okay, so same thing will here also, like we are combining the two set value from set 1 and set 2, and we will remove which are the duplicate part. Okay, so let's run this one and understand everything properly. Okay, so union of set 0 1 2 3 4 5 7 and like 8 9. Okay, so how it's happening? It's collecting data from both sets, set 1 and set 2, and combining them, and those data which are getting repeated, it's removing the extra part. Okay, and keeping the unique value for that data. Okay, like 1 is in both, so it will remove 1 from any, means after combining it will remove the 1 and it will keep the single value for the 1. Okay, so in that way, like intersection, how the intersection is performing, like we are combining the data. Okay, and after the combining we are checking which are the common part, and which are the common part we will keep in this, other we will remove. This is the intersection, because 0 1 3 4, you can see 0 1 3 4 available in both sets, 0 0, here 1 and 1, 3 and 3, and 4 available. other 5 is not available in another set, so 5 is not printed here. This is the intersections. And what is the difference? 289. So how the difference is performing, you can first of all just focus here. Okay, this is very important part. So how in line number 24 we have created set integer, then intersection data, the intersection data name of our set. Okay, you can write anything if you wish. New has set integer and set 1. So we have write the set 1 intersection data, we have created one set with set 1 value. Okay, set 1 value we have added here. And now intersection data dot retain all set 2. So what we are doing, like intersection data dot retain all we are using the method, and we are writing set 2. So intersection data is the name of our set in which contain the data of the set 1. Okay, and now we are retaining all the data which belong to set 2. So I mean to say, like if there is a data which belong to, like 1 belong to 2 also and 1 available in set 1 also, so it will remove 1 from this one. Okay, because it's available in another set also. So here we are performing like retaining all the data which are belong to set 2 also, and the remaining data will print as a difference of set 1. Okay, so you can see 289 in set 1, 289 are those value which are unique. Okay, which are not belong to set 2. Only those data will remain which doesn't belong to another set. Okay, so this is the use of the difference. Okay, I hope you have understand this topic and this video. If you are facing any issue, please tell me, comment me, we'll see it again. Okay, so take care, bye bye, all the best.